Hey, 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 this is your Sacred Scribe here with Nature Speaks 333. Once again, here to do a message for humanity, for the collective. And I am with Alberta. Okay, so give me a moment while I connect. A focus upon the heart area within your world will begin to increase. This increase, will cause a floodgate of propaganda to be released. Wow, okay. The creative aspects you hold within your heart spaces are great. As more connection to this is achieved throughout humanity, there are those who wish for this to stop. A deterrence of your energies may occur because of this. Distractions galore will happen. Remind yourselves to stay connected with your hearts. As you are reminded by the channel every day, this is not said for no reason. There is a purpose for a reprogramming of your consciousness. The old program must cease to be. In order to do this, you must become aware that it exists in the first place. As you are aware, then you must put forth effort and time to focus more inward. There will be an increase in this propaganda within the news, within the media. Only focus on that which increases your vibration. Look for the good things happening, for they are happening all over your planet. Seeking this information out will indeed put a smile on your face instead of anxiety within your heart. So begin this reprogramming now and begin in your heart space. For this is the center of you. Is that it? Thank you, Alberta. Thank you so much. All right, guys. I hope that helped. I hope it made sense. Well, now I know why I say what I say. And I say it as I'm being led. So I always like to see confirmation. That's always nice. So you guys have a great day. And as always, stay connected with your heart and to love. Namaste.